Hi, I'm Ashutosh Wad.
I am Manjunath Atwar, co-founders of Space Dynamics based in Mumbai.
So we've been practicing for 15 years.
Architecture is one of the few professions that can touch the day-to-day life of people in a very real sense. And that's a very big draw for us, where you can actually make a difference in the life of each and every person.
Things like meticulous planning, synergy of materials, attention to minutest detail has always been a very primary aspect of our design. If we see a good piece of art or if we see a good fashion piece, we draw inspiration from that and try to put it into our work and come up with something even better. Today we'll be taking you through our new project, which is a penthouse designed for Mr. Naveen Agarwal at Prabhadevi.
Hi, I'm Naveen.
Hi, I'm Sheetal.
And we are at the Trinity Towers at Prabhadevi in Mumbai.
They had a very clear brief in mind when they approached us, and that helped us just to get into the design process very, very easily.
We needed an elegant house. We needed to leverage the space. We wanted it to be obviously functional.
To do justice to the space, we came up with a contemporary design with just a little hint of classical.
So the main thing would be the double height marble clad wall in the main living room as one enters. It's clad with a Bianco Lassa marble which spans almost about 11 feet by 16 feet.
So as you can see behind us, when you sit there, you are basically a 22 feet height space and a 50 feet open space right in front of you, which is very unusual.
So we designed the entrance to the staircase in a way that it has a nice amphitheater effect.
We actually went across and selected the perfect piece of marble that we wanted to get the kind of flow that you actually see now on the staircase.
So keeping in mind the parents at Mr. Naveen Agarwal's residence, we had to have a lift in place. So we have it like a complete glass box, and the panels behind are completely camouflaged with the surrounding ambience.
In terms of the looks and also the functionality, they didn't compromise on any of those. The results are very satisfactory.
Quarry Collab is a great initiative that actually allows designers to let their creative juices flow and experiment with marble in ways that they would probably not be able to do on a live site due to various constraints like the client, the budget, etc.
So we as designers have to be extremely conscious in the future with the way we splurge with materials. We have to be able to select materials very wisely, keeping in mind the sustainability factor.
So be passionate, be innovative, and there's really no alternative to hard work and late nights in this field.